When I awoke this morning, imagine my surprise. On my pillow lay a single yellow rose. I smiled, but when I read the card, the teardrops filled my eyes. It was the only way that you could say goodbye. You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you left me.
Yan po, parto. Debo ni Charmel, Mr. Mel, Mr. Mel, Charmel, parto na yun, mag-decorate sila. Decorate ba? Decorate, si Charmel, debo ng ano, debo, 18 roses, tapos, yun sige. Sige.
Watil.
Mandramantigo di vestitigo di debo ni Mr. Mel, Mr. Mel, Charmel Barot, Aris Barot Mr. Mel, mag-18 na debo doon. Kasi yung mga crew ng ano, Lorna's catering and servicing. Okay. You know. See. You know. Ito po, yung mga event yung mga ano ba yun? Mga best nila yung mga ano yun. Preparation nila nung ano.